Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today we are going to be making, an Afro beat, and we're going to be going through Splice to get some nice samples and play around and see what we could come up with. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW. All right, so I'm just going to go to Splice, and I'm just going to try as much as possible to experiment. I really don't know, unlike other tutorials where I have something in mind to do. Right now, I don't have anything in mind, so I'm just going to go on Splice, get some nice samples, and let's just make a beat. Let's go right into Splice. Preview some of the sounds to have. Yeah, that's a nice one, But let me just some nice guitar. I like that. This is a nice sound too, Yeah, I think I like this sound. This sound want to sound like one of Adekunle's gold kind of vibe. Yeah, but I'm just gonna drag this in and let's just work with this. And our tempo is 93 BPM, so I'm just gonna drag everything to 93 BPM. And let's see what's gonna come off of this. So we have this sample. Yeah, I think I'm loving this. Yeah, I love this sample. I love the whole sample. So we're gonna try to make a beat from this sample. All right. So and let's just see what we're gonna come out with. So I think I'm already having a groove in my head. I'm gonna go with fire. I don't know, one shot. And yeah, so I love this one shot. I'm just gonna edit it. This one shot is already giving me the bounce that I actually need for the beat. But I'm just gonna play it myself. I'm just gonna go select it. Let's say I'm gonna select this, just drag it into my my channel rack, and I have this nice rim shot. Okay, so I can just create my first pattern. Let's call this rim. It's normal bounce, something like this. Yeah, so we have. I'm just gonna give it a swing of around 19%. Just increase my velocity so it hits really hard. It hits really well. Just having a steady kick, a steady groovy kick. So just I could just do it, or I could just do feel each 4 steps. So you have this. Yeah, and we have a vibe, guys. Yeah. So you can see, even when you are not feeling inspired, man, you can just quickly just make a beat, man. Using sites like Splice, Waves, just get loops, and from there you just spark up that creativity. So I'm gonna put in my soft clipper. Yeah, so the next thing I can just put in is my bass, and trust me, with the bass, I think we already have a very good. Once you have a nice vocalist, to just drop some bars on it, it's settled, man. It's settled. It's already a vibe. So yeah, it's very important. All right, so I'm just gonna use Trillion bass, Trillion bass, and I'm gonna use the Fender preset, and from the sample, it's telling me that I'm on the key of D flat. D sharp minor, which is the relative minor of which key? I think F sharp. And with the bass, I'm just gonna be playing for now. Just play the root note, and I think we are going from the 6. So yeah, let's see this. Let's not slide it. Let's just have. Yeah, so I prefer this. I think we're going to the 2. Yeah. To the 2, sorry. I think it's 2. Yeah. Vibes. I think let me go down. Yeah, so you can see. Yeah, so I think we have some nice vibe. Yeah, so for my drums and my kick, I have. Yeah, so for I think I'm just gonna send everything to the mixer, and let's just play around with the chords. So let's create our EP. Sorry, not my spellings, man. So with the EP, I'm just gonna play some chords. So we're on the key of F sharp. So let's just play our 6 and our 2. Let's see. Let's bring this down. Yeah. Okay, then I think I need something like this. Yeah. Then I think I'm gonna go to my 2. Let's see. I think this should be better. Yeah, so I think this sounds nice. Yeah, so I can just add in, the lower notes here. So we have this bad feel. Stretch it so it just sits well. Yeah, nice. So where they have like. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add a flute, just to have like a nice melody playing, So we just build from there. It sounds really, really nice. Put that from this part. So let me. Yeah, I'm trying to see what can. Yeah, so I think this was it's a bit too loud. So I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and just let's go with this so that it has lots of reverb and it just sits inside. So let me take it an octave lower and let's see what it sounds like. Yeah. So I think that we have this. Yeah, so I think we now have for this part. For yes, for yeah. Yeah, so I like that vibrato there. So I think that's the only thing I even like from it. So you can, if I had like a nice vocal sample, I could just even use that. It sounds like this. So sounds nice. Yeah, so nice. so let's just listen from the top. Let's see. Yeah, so I think we have a vibe, man. So I can just add in my iron pusher, so the beat sounds really, really heavy. And I think we're done with this. Vibes. Yeah, so let's just listen from the top, and I think this is a vibe, man. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. This sounds fire, man. Yep, guys, so you can see basically making an Afrobeat is actually very, very easy. Just get some nice samples, some nice one shots, and you are good to go. So if you're here to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is in the description of this video, and there you get many amazing stuff. You get FLPs, you get some nice one shots, you get presets and the likes. So guys, if you love this video, let me know in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.